My name is Cynthia, and this is Jane. Today, we will bring you a special broadcast.
Hello, I'm Jane. It's my pleasure to introduce our products to you. Well, today our main topic is precision technology. After introduce our factory, we will explain the characteristics of this kind of products, advantages, and the maintenance of this kind of products. We also welcome new and old friends to ask questions with us. If you don't have time to ask questions, we will also arrange the Q&A session to last 20 minutes. If you would like to know more details about this kind of product, please leave your contact information. We will arrange a one-to-one connection with you after broadcast as soon as possible.
Yes, our company has many products. My other colleagues will introduce enamel products, grease, etc. Those are very good products. If you are interested in any of them, welcome to see the following in broadcast. In the next 2 hours, we will mainly introduce precision products. It's a kind of very healthy product. It's easy to take care and has a long service life. It can be said a very cost-effective product.
Cynthia, could you tell us a little bit about Senxia?
Okay. Xingtai Sanxia is a private enterprise specializing in the production and sales of cast iron cookware. The factory has several automatic manufacturing lines, vegetable oil production lines, enamel production lines, and other experimental equipment. The company has been providing high-quality products and services for OEM products of domestic and foreign customers for a long time. The products are mainly sold to more than 30 countries such as the United States, Canada, Europe, Russia, Australia, Japan, and South Africa. The market share is about 55%, and the annual turnover is more than 60 million. In recent years, the export shows an increasing trend.
Does it mean that the high-quality products in the market are probably manufactured by Xingtai Senxia?
Yes, our main products are cast iron enamel cookware, precision products, non-stick coating products, and etc. There are more than 8,000 types of cookware with various coatings, shapes, and colors. The main types are casserole, frying pan, and grills.
Wow, so many kinds of products. How does Senxia do that?
We have many production lines and production capacity. We also have our own excellent design team and technical team. We can develop products with latest trends.
That's cool.
Yeah, you're right. In addition to an excellent design team, Sanxia also has an excellent quality control team. After all, in addition to the beauty of the product, consumers are more concerned about the quality of products.
How does factory guarantee the quality of the products in Senxia?
Of course, there's a way Sanxia can guarantee the quality. We have all kinds of testing equipments. Quality control can be carried out during mass production process, and the record is kept for 2 years or longer so as to trace the relevant source.
In this way, as a consumer, I have confidence in the quality of the products.
In addition to the research and development team, production lines, and advanced inspection equipment, we also have complete packaging lines and a huge storage capacity. It can be said to be a very mature and comprehensive production system. Seeing as believing. We have a factory video to show you.
Hobe Sansha Cookware Technology Company Limited, with a research and development team of 130 people and thousands of skilled workers, relying on the world's leading professional equipment, form a complete production marketing system for industrial design, mold manufacturing, production, quality control, marketing, etc. Because the industry's leading manufacturer of cast iron products, serving hundreds of well-known customers around the world, it is the national standard setter of cast iron industry. This is one of the largest cookware molds warehouse in the world. More than 10,000 sets of molds are witnesses to our cooperation with world-class brands. Sansha's smelting production line has a special intelligent molten iron monitoring room to control the quality of raw materials in real time and ensure the quality and stability of the casting process. Achieve solid waste zero emissions through advanced solid waste treatment systems. It is a revolutionary breakthrough in the casting industry. The world's cutting-edge top equipment and traditional processes can be used side by side so as to pass on a new model of craftsmanship quality with new ideas. As a leading company in the cast iron industry, we have 6 of the most advanced automatic DISA casting lines. The level of automation reaches up to more than 98%. Consistent and reliable performance is a guarantee of the high-quality products. Sansha Fine Grinding combines automation and handicraft. The castings pass dozens of testing standards, make the adhesion of the pot surface coating stronger, ensure the product sturdy and beautiful. Sansha adapts an advanced military patented anti-rust nitriding equipment, exploring cutting-edge smart technology, and cooperates with international front-end enterprises to develop a push-plate nitriding heat treatment production line. Products have excellent anti-rust and anti-oxidation features through surface treatment before spraying, and fill the gap for anti-rust technology of the cast iron industry. Four professional oil production lines with a completely safe manufacturing process do not contact with any harmful chemicals. Vegetable oil is added for special protection. With many years of experience and improvements, Sansha create the special super oil finish technology with different colors and properties oil products. Help industrial civilization return to the beauty of nature. '19 Automation Professional Enamel Production Line. The annual output of enamel products is about 15 million pieces. 2 professional non-sticking production lines, varieties of high-tech non-stick technology. It is first to create cast iron non-stick process with the new fusion. Take cast iron enamel and cast iron non-stick into a new field and meet the diversified needs of the market. In Sansha, every product and link reveals the quality and stamp of our company. We have never given up in making verifications and improvements until we produce a perfect product. We set up a laboratory testing center with more than 2,000 square meters, have the most complete laboratory system in the relevant field of the world, and the most advanced laboratory equipment. Every product passes more than 80 tests before leaving the factory. The average monthly test volume reaches 3,000 pieces. The lab is CNAS certified. The factory has passed ISO 9001 quality system certification, ISO 14001 environmental system certification, ISO 45001 occupational health and safety certification, and granted as Hebai Development Center. The products have passed ISO 4531 through 2018. U.S. Food and Drug Administration FDA certification, EU LFGB certification. Scientific management to create an international brand. Technological innovation to achieve customer satisfaction. Low carbon development to fulfill environmental responsibility. Sansha will work with you to build a sustainable ecological development. Maintaining originality, making great progress. Tomorrow is here, working together.
have introduced our company briefly, do you remember that we are going to introduce precision coating products today? Maybe some of friends didn't know much about precision coating. Cynthia, could you please explain what is precision coating and how it works?
First of all, let me explain what the precision coating is. Sunshine products is made of cast iron. Then we put molten iron into a sand mold. After sandblasting and polishing, factory treat product with vegetable oil inside and outside. It can prevent the cast iron directly contact with air briefly. Precision is to bake oil onto cast iron. When the oil is heated, it combines with the metal and forms a coating. It gives your cookware classic black color. Seasoning forms a natural, easy-release cooking surface and helps prevent your pan from rusting. A well-seasoned cast iron pan can last for generations.
Cynthia, I have heard that coating treatments including sparring, dipping, shower can customize the different needs of customers.
Yes, Sanxia can do different process according to the needs of different customers. Especially the dipping process production line is independently developed by Sanxia, and Sanxia has applied for a national patent.
Cynthia, I have a question. Why we choose precision products instead of non-stick coating products? What are the advantages of precision products?
Firstly, compare with the traditional non-stick coating, vegetable oil coating more safety and healthy. The raw material from soybean, grain, meat or other plants, the raw material is safety. It can prevent the harmful things into human's body, which from chemical coating and aluminum products.
Precision products can keep the ingredients during our cooking and keep the original taste of the food. At the same time, precision products can also reduce the oil used when we cook. Am I right?
Yes, you're right. Precision the products has another characteristics. When the cooking temperature exceeds 200 degrees, the products will send a certain amount of energy to the food and control the temperature to 230 degrees. For example, when we cook steak, if we use a normal non-stick fry pan, it may be easily stick on the surface of the fry pan in high temperature. A good precision fry pan can completely avoid this problem. At the same time, cast iron material could retain and keep the juice of the food itself. The steak will be more tasty.
There are many tips here for using and attention. Before using for the first time, prepare cooking oil first.
Remove all labels from the new iron pot and wash with running hot water.
Wipe the water off the whole pot.
Turn the pot on a low heat. Shake the pot during this period for 3 to 5 minutes. Then pour out the oil in the wipe it back and forth with kitchen paper. Repeat several times until the pot becomes black.
Rinse with hot water, then dry with no fire. Finally, apply a thin layer of vegetable oil to the surface of the pot.
Pay attention to the following cautions. During or just finished cooking, do not touch the pot with your hands directly. Please use gloves to prevent accidental burns.
Do not store food and water in the pot for a long time. If not used for a long time, clean and dry the pots and then apply a thin layer of oil on the pot. Play a certain role of anti-rush and extend the service life.
Do not dry the empty pot for a long time to avoid discoloration or damage to your pots. It may shorten the pot's service life.
Please pay attention to high temperature during cooking. Keep the hot pot away from children.
If there are hard to clean stains in the pot, you can fill it with warm water for about 20 minutes before cleaning.
Do not put the pot in the microwave oven. After finishing the meal, then the biggest headache comes. Washing dishes after each meal was the worst thing I have to face. How about our processed products? Will it easy to wash after use?
You don't need to worry about the cleaning issue after cooking. It's very easy to clean, and after long time use, the oil gets into the product deeply and makes the surface smoother. Rub a layer of cooking oil onto the surface of your cookware, then use a paper towel to wipe the surface until no oil residue remains.
That's great. It solves my problems. Cynthia, I have another question. As a consumer, I may choose a non-stick pan as my first cookware. It is very good to use at the beginning, but it becomes hard to use in the next few months. Could you explain to us why this issue happens?
Well, the warranty of non-stick products is short. The non-stick service becomes weak after long use. The energy will decrease and finally was thrown away by customer. But our precision cast iron can perfectly solve this problem. Seasoning forms a natural, easy-release cooking surface and helps prevent your pan from rusting. A well-seasoned cast iron pan can last for generations.
Healthy, durable, cost-effective. I believe the consumer will agree that it is important when they choose a cookware.
Especially after we experience this special period, people will pay more attention to health. A strong body is very important to all of us.
We have introduced so much. You may miss some of our introduction. Don't worry, we will have a video here to show all you guys, and you may have a look.
Sancha makes various types of oil finished products which are sold to all over the world. All products are made of high-quality food oil, such as soybean oil, linseed oil, grapeseed oil, olive oil, etc., for surface treatment. Can be customized according to different needs of customers, achieve different rust-proof and appearance effects, provide a variety of selling point options. Normal oil products. Spray oil to the casting surface. Prevent casting exposure to air to achieve physical anti-rust effect. Double layer oil products can be custom made for thicker double layer vegetable oil product and use vegetable oil on surface of cast iron with 2 spraying and 2 baking. The surface feels more delicate, and the rust-proof, acid, and alkali resistance are better than ordinary vegetable oil products. Silicone oil is innovative and high-temperature resistance. Resist high temperature and with colorful silicone resin. Thicker, protective layer to achieve anti-acid and alkali, water resistance, and beautiful appearance. Spraying vegetable oil inside to achieve beauty and health. Golden oil products. Golden vegetable oil products. Through the use of different concentrations and different types of oil with special crafts, presents a unique metal surface that is different from other vegetable oil products. Rust-proof performance is superior to common vegetable oil products. Sancha uses the world's advanced production lines, meet different requirements for individual customization. Spraying process. Fine spray coating for the production of diversified products. Dipping process. Advanced equipment fits for the production of all vegetable oil products. The substrate is evenly covered and the oil film is thick. At the same time, solve the problem of environmental pollution caused by manual spraying. The production line is independently developed by Sancha. Sancha has applied for national patents. Shower process. Advanced environmental production equipment makes the oil film of vegetable oil even and high adhesion to gain scrub resistance. Super pre-seasoned process. Sancha developed a push-type nitriding heat treatment production line. Put the extremely hot iron pot into a vacuum furnace. Fill with ammonia-3, nitrogen-2, and other gases under a high temperature of 600 degrees Celsius. Finally achieve the real anti-rust and antioxidation without coating. Solve the technical problems in the industry. Salt spray test proves the result of nitriding products are much better than normal oil products. Surface of nitriding products is anti-corrosion, anti-abrasion, and anti-high temperature. Finally achieve physical non-stick. It becomes real super pre-seasoned products. Sancha has many years of research and development experience. Create different oil production lines based on your diverse needs. Meet your individual requirements.
You may not know much about precision coating before, but I'm sure you will be interested in it after our recommend. Our precision coating can apply to casserole, fry pan, outdoor products.
Except what you see in the video. Sancha has provided more choices based on different customers' requirements. Despite of traditional precision products, which we call no coating products, the surface of cast iron is sprayed with vegetable oil to prevent direct contact between cast iron and air to achieve short-term anti-rust, which is very healthy and environmental protection.
Cynthia, it is mentioned that Sancha has a very excellent technical team. So, except traditional precision products, does Sancha have any new technologies applied to the precision coating surface?
Yes, we have 2 layers of precision coating. Can be customized for a double layer with vegetable oil product and use vegetable oil on surface of cast iron with 2 spraying and 2 baking. The surface feels more delicate and the rust-proof acid and alkali resistance are better than ordinary vegetable oil products.
Well, I can feel the surface is smoother than normal precision products.
In addition, we are glad to share with our new developed super precision products. Sancha developed a push-tab nitriding heat treatment production line. Put the hot iron under a high temperature of 600 degrees to achieve the real anti-rust and antioxidation without coating. Solve the technical problems in the industry.
That's awesome. If you don't like black color, is there any other colors for us to select it? For me, I prefer the product with bright colors.
Of course, Sancha also developed a gold color precision product. The surface of the product appears gold. Golden oil product uses different concentrations and different types of oil with special crafts. Present a unique metal surface that is different from other vegetable oil products. Rust-proof performance is better than common vegetable oil products.
I really like the golden color precision products. But if you are interested in traditional and classic black precision products, you can choose normal precision coating products, double layer precision coating products, or super precision products. Just now, we learned that our company had launched a new precision products with the same coating. Cynthia, can you introduce this kind of new product to us?
Okay, it is called inside grinding precision. You could find the difference from the name of this product. Let me show you the difference of those two products. The sample in Jane's hand is normal precision product, and the sample in my hand is our new product. So Jane, please say the feeling of your product.
Well, the first feeling of this product is good, and the surface is smooth.
Try this, especially on the bottom and the wall. How about this?
Wow, the inside of this product was smoother than the normal one. It feels smoother than this one. And the feeling is very good.
Oh yes, even both of the samples are precision, but the touch feeling is different. Compared with grinding product, the normal precision feels a little rough, just a little rough.
What's the reason?
Actually, the technology is the same. The only difference is that Sensia add the extra step. After blast and polishing, Sensia add an additional step of grinding before baking oil onto the product. It is this step shows Sensia's attitude pursuing perfection.
Customers' demand is our goal.
After the instruction, we know the ability of Sensia.
By the way, is there any certificate of test report to enhance our consumers' confidence in our products?
Of course, you can have a look at the test report. Here are several reports issued by third-party testing agencies. You can see lots of standards, such as FDA, FGB, and all of the test results is passed. After all, if you expect a higher market share, you need to have high-quality products.
Okay, I believe most of friends can catch Sensia's ability from the product type and product quality and have confidence in Sensia's product. Let's make a brief summary of today's broadcast. Sensia has a material production system and excellent design team. Precision products, no chemical coating, safety, healthy, and classic appearance. Upgrade precision coating, better performance in anti-rust, and more color options.
That's right. Now it's time to say goodbye to everyone. If you're interested in our company and product, you can also watch our other shows.